What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, who loves the flow of this? Sure. The emotion, the power. Then it just explodes. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to Twice's Reality Time to Twice TDOONG Cooking Battle Episode 3. So, guys, we are back with some more of Twice's TDOONG Cooking Battle. We're getting into the third episode of the show. We should still be getting into, or we should still be cooking some different types of food, or the different dishes that we will be partaking in. It seems like we've so far actually, it seems like they've actually been doing a pretty good job at creating dishes for the well, for a starter, a what's it called, a starter. That's the first one, and then it's the mains, and then the dessert. It seems like they have a pretty good idea for that, so I'm pretty excited to see how all of that turns out. We have still not gotten into the tasting, and I'm not sure if we will be getting into the tasting in this episode, because I do know that there's one more episode of this, and we of course also need the judges to come in and taste, and we'll have to see what the very, very good award is, or reward is. I'm actually super excited to see what the reward is going to be, so I'm excited. Let's get right into the third episode of TTT TDOONG Cooking Battle. Time to Twice.
요리를 만들 겁니다. 연어 스테이크.
Oh yeah, it's random probably the who gets what prize. It seems like it's in
오케이. 시작해볼까?
letters.
김치찜. 그걸 담당할게요. 난 사나는 이제 유튜브 보면서 열심히 해볼게요.
Oh, we saw in the preview they were tasting. They were kind of tasting the food now, right? And it didn't look too promising for one team.
마늘 얼마나 필요해? 어이구. 잠깐만 움직이지 마.
I think that team looked pretty good in the tasting division. I think T-Shirt's team was not good compared, like at least from the preview from last time. It looks delish.
그리고
I do love me some salmon. I could eat some salmon, even though I've just eaten
그게
dinner.
핸드폰 어딨어? 다시 할게. 도전. 도전.
Taiyan's still doing these
계란
small
왔어요?
missions.
계란이 오셨어요. 아. 도전.
에피타이저 샐러드에 들어갈 지금 토마토를 버무리고 있고요.
오케이.
Marinating the cherry tomatoes in what, I wonder?
어때? 추러스 같아?
우와.
Oh, interesting. That was the dessert, right, or something? I don't remember. Don't actually remember what the menus were supposed to be.
예!
아, 나 이거 성우이면 집에서도 할 수 있겠네.
잘 구웠다.
Probably
연어.
could.
이 상태에서 2분.
잘 지키네. 시야
Yup.
이제 메인은 네가 하면
No, just looking at the salmon and seeing when it's done. It's more so 2
너무
minutes.
예쁘다. 그치? 짱이 미쳤다.
All right. Shrimp cocktail.
16.
다들 요리 잘하네.
Counting? She was just counting.
잘했어요.
뭐 도와줄까? 버터 이런 거 있었으면 식빵 딱 부어
자,
먹는 거.
그럼 게임
버터 있어요?
버터는 일단 기본 제공.
Another game, Taehyun.
맛있는 냄새. 맛있어. 이거 그냥 우리가 먹자.
오, 뭐
Sana's
많은데?
hungry.
맛있겠다.
I mean, it looks pretty good. What, Sana?
아니 이거 아니잖아.
Wait, that's not oil.
먹고 가야 될 것 같아. 그래 보자.
Okay.
진짜 맛있을 것 같아. 이것만 해도 맛있어.
Wait, was it just ketchup in that shrimp cocktail? That's a little.
식초랑 간장 해가지고 만들어 볼까?
Vinegar and soy sauce.
상큼해?
Really?
괜찮아?
진짜 맛있다.
그래?
Really? That's not. Is
드레싱
that how
이렇게.
balsamic works? Is that's? I don't know. Surely not. Is balsamic vinegar just with soy? No, no way, right?
자 이제 넣어볼게요.
네.
괜찮은 거 같은데?
아 이거 진짜 우리 닭 한 마리에 닭으로 했었으면 진짜 맛있었을 텐데.
Oh, instead of doing it, so like the traditional Korean fried chicken. Into the rice cooker we go. That was easy.
식빵에다 버터에다가 치즈 쫙.
아니면 프렌치 토스트도 괜찮은 것 같아.
그렇게
계란이
하면 되겠다.
있으니까.
버터에다가 착 설탕 조금 넣어가지고
French toast
이렇게
sounds good.
구워가지고
Yep.
계란이랑
Yeah. Sure. Well, normally you mix it and dip it
근데 많이
into the
됐는데,
mixing
지금?
thing, right?
젓가락이 많나요 왜?
Does it taste good?
맛있다.
It doesn't look good. I'm gonna be honest. It's not. Maybe it's just the color. Might just be the
그
lighting.
레몬이랑 레몬 없지.
Lemon.
병아리 콩 10개를 옮겨라.
Oh. Wow.
레몬?
Wow. Okay. Damn. Oh, poor Dasha. She's standing there. Well, she's just been using like half an hour on clearing 2 missions or something. Okay.
우와, 약간 태국 음식점.
So we are stir frying the lettuce. It might just be because
마지막
I'm from Europe
점점점.
and we generally don't really make food like that. But I do wonder what she's doing. Stir frying lettuce?
근데 이거 튀기는 거
Maybe
마지막에
kale,
하면 좀
right?
맛있을
For like
것 같지
a
않아? 따뜻할 때? 그건 튀기지 말아볼까?
for a stir fry, but lettuce.
일단 거기까지만 하고. 엄청 묵은지네. 먹어도 돼? 네, 먹어도 돼. 맛있어. 여기 있는 것도 먹어도 되는 거야. 우리 이자카야 하자, 이자카야. 이자카야 하면 트자카야, 트자카야. 그 알지?
Izakaya.
이거 플레이팅 한 같이 연어랑 먹는.
근데 나 양상추 굽는 건 처음 본 것 같아.
양상추가 아니야. 원래 양배추 구워야 돼.
Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense.
있는 거에.
If it's cabbage, it makes a lot more sense, right? So that's what I said, like kale.
요거트랑 얘랑 해서 해도 맛있을 것 같지 않아? 그치?
At least we call that the same thing here in Denmark. It's just with a different like color in front.
올리브유.
Green,
소스.
white.
올리브유 너무 많은
Sharp.
것 같아.
태영아 이거 한번 먹어봐.
What is that supposed to be?
굳이? 그래 맛있어. 굳이? 그냥 요것도 맛있어.
그냥 요거트 맛이라고?
그건 잠깐
Wait,
쉬었다가
what exactly is
좀
that
이따가
supposed to
할게요.
be?
쳤다. 잘했다. 맛있을 것 같은데?
맛있겠지?
응. 저거 먹어봐도
Alright.
돼요?
먹어봐.
저거 뭔가 있어야 될 것 같아. 그 소스가. 꿀? 응. 꿀 하자. 그럼 진짜 맛있을 것 같아 이거.
Hmm.
조금.
모모가 막 보면 알 수도 있겠다. 얘
그래.
그 부대찌개 만들었었잖아. 모모 이거 막 한 번만 봐봐.
좀 너무 신 느낌이야.
뭐가 부족해?
아, 좀 더 끓이고 먹고 싶다. 조금만 더
맛있어져라,
꺾어가지고 먹을까?
맛있어져라.
Like seeing him trying to taste it. I don't know what kimchi jjigae is supposed to taste like outside of kimchi. So I would have no idea either. Is that soy, sesame, and sesame?
오리엔탈 소스 만든 거 같아.
Well, I mean, if it's soy, sesame, dressing, and sesame seed, it's pretty much Oriental dressing, right? Wow, that looks pretty damn good. That looks really good.
너무 귀여운데?
여러분 잘하시고 계세요.
뭐하러 왔어? 구경하러 왔어요.
이거 더 어떻게 해야 돼?
So, are they supposed to just taste it now?
후추밖에 안 했어.
소금?
그 MSG야. 야 근데 이거 맛있는데? 아 그래? 이거 약간
Well, we can add some MSG.
베리
That's
이런 거
like
뽑아가지고 좀
and neat.
베리 하자.
It's like the essential in Asian cuisine is SMG.
어머. 플레이팅이 중요하구나.
That looks real good, you know? Oh, they're coming to just...
거의 레스토랑.
They forgot.
새우를 이렇게 꽂았어. 레몬에다가.
근데 맛은 어떨 것 같아?
맛있어 보여.
시금치랑 시금치 위에다가 연어를 이렇게 스테이크처럼 올려놓고 한 거 프리틴 진짜 괜찮았거든? 근데 시금치가 조금 달아서 내 스타일을 조금 아 근데 진짜 예뻤어.
It's
담는
sweet.
거가 진짜 중요한 것 같아. 예쁘게 담는 거.
예쁘게 이자카야처럼 담자.
우리 예쁘게 하면 돼.
우리 이자카야잖아. 이자카야야.
고기 올릴까 미나 언니?
응, 가운데다가 올려.
Okay, like an izakaya.
약간 차돌박이.
Maybe mixing it up, but izakaya, is that the place where they cook it in front of you? Or is that the place with a lot of small dishes? Or am I just completely wrong either way?
접시로 있어 보이기.
I do not remember.
예쁜 게 중요해? 맛이 중요하지? 오.
Izakaya, that... No, izakaya, is that not...
튀김 이제 할까? 좀 빨리 할까? 저쪽
Okay,
많이 했죠.
I'm
이미.
thinking
오징어
using a
튀김을
lot of
좀
different
한번
things. Oh, we're frying some more. We're braising some pork with kimchi.
야 지호야, 먹어봤어?
Uh-oh.
양파 좋아해.
Yeah, sure. With honey. Oh, that's right. It was with honey. That's why it was sweet.
진짜 맛있어.
I forgot they had it. That's such... Okay, I mean, I haven't tried it, so I can't really comment on it, but it just feels like a weird combination. Spinach, lettuce, and honey.
김치 맛을 잡을 수가 없어. 너무 신데. 저 시간 얼마나 남았어요? 응? 설탕이니까 너무 달아서. 아니 근데 맛없지 않은 것 같아.
Uh-oh. What does it need? A little salt, maybe? To add to it, to help it?
이 와중에 밥은 잘 됐다. 우리 스테이크도 해야 되는데. 스테이크 누가 할래요? 나 자신 없어. 스테이크 너가 자신 있지? 자신. 전자레인지 돌리자.
Ma! No! Don't do it! No! You can't! You can't microwave a steak! Don't do it. No, don't do it.
이렇게 아니에요? 요리 따로.
Just don't do it.
따로 아니야?
조그맣게 이거 3개 만들어야 돼.
3개? 3개? 잠시만 아직 먹지 마. 잠시만 아직 먹지 마.
Oh.
채영아.
Yeah, let's just cut the other salmon.
맛있다.
Let's eat this one.
맛있는데?
It's not gonna be much of a mains when one fillet is cut into 3.
근데 소스가 있으면 좋을 것 같기는 해. 그치? 요거트에 레몬을 넣는 거.
It could be cooked a little extra, that salmon. It's you know it's fine. It's salmon either way, but like
되게 연어 스테이크 같다.
it's pretty rare. It's like a blue rare salmon, but
괜찮아? 맛있어.
에?
이상해?
how is it? Fried squid. You need to be careful with frying squid because
염탕 왔다 염탕.
if you fry it too long, if you overcook squid, it gets super rubbery.
근데 장난 아니라며.
우리 완전 장난 아니야.
야 너네 여기서 식당 하면 안 돼.
장난 아니야.
괜찮아 우리 이자카야 자신감 있게 가자.
Oh no. Nah, that kind of ruined the presentation a little bit, not gonna lie. That's pretty bad as well.
밑에 상황.
Oh, it's because they just have to taste it. So they have one for the presentation, they have one for the taste.
상품을 받고 싶어.
That makes more
진짜
sense.
먹을 것 같아.
Obviously, the judges have to taste double the amount because they have to taste from both sides. This looks really interesting with
이거는
these
진짜 국민 음식이지.
rice cake churros, as they call it.
아 상품 뭔지 너무 궁금하다. 우리 근데 욕심 내지 말자. 뭔가 자신감 떨어졌어 우리. 괜찮아. 우리 이 작가니까 괜찮지. 왜냐면 저기는
I
거의
don't
다
feel
된
too
거 같거든.
confident.
그러면은
Mama's not liking
우리가
her
그거
squid. They're not liking the braised pork.
그니까 맛있지.
직전에 이렇게 하는데.
이거 아이스크림 바닐라 아이스크림 있었어. 진짜 맛있었겠다.
생크림?
Oh. Oh.
왜 포기해 너? 안 했어. 누가 포기했어?
Oh yeah. It ain't looking good, boys. It ain't looking good.
너 세 개 다 했어.
See this thing's looking real good.
에어프라이기에
에어프라이기. 있어?
Jeez, okay.
오케이.
요리 주제는 쯔위야. 쯔위가 일단 메인
쯔위지.
메뉴를 정했고 연어 뜻이 그거 내가 아까 말했잖아. 그 강물을 거슬러 올라가는
Right. And when it reaches the top, it turns into a dragon.
그런 사람이 될 수 있는
Right.
용기를 가질 수 있다.
No, that's not a salmon. That's
스테이크
a
맛이
koi fish.
나겠지?
Swims up
야,
the
근데
waterfall.
스테이크인데 맛이 없을 수가 없어.
Salmon do swim
고마워.
against the stream, which is kind of weird. But
정말
that's
어디
just how
갔지?
they like it.
여기 마늘.
오 버터 냄새 미쳤어.
그만할 수 있어.
What's happening? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Albeit, I probably wouldn't put butter in from the beginning.
저쪽이
Give it a
약간
sear, maybe with like with some
고기여가지고
oil and
고기는
then
다 맛있잖아,
sear it,
솔직히.
because oil has a
그치.
lot of oil will have a higher burning point, so you can get a higher temp, get that good sear on the steak, and then afterwards you add the butter to baste it.
나 이것도 먹을 때 후추 뿌려 먹거든. 진짜 맛있어.
What with black peppers? Huh?
너무 예쁜데?
Huh? What? Some of the things they've been doing are questionable.
너무 맛있을 것 같은데 어떡하지?
Okay. I'm a little scared about this because surely that's gonna taste a lot like the stew that you didn't like. Uh-oh, Sana?
그러지.
Okay. No. No. I don't think it's good.
이거 근데 조금 꽈배기.
It might just be the kimchi that made the I guess it's the kimchi that was too
이거
sour.
꿀에다 찍어 먹어봐.
It's very dependent on the kimchi, I would suppose, because kimchi has tastes very, very different depending on who makes it and how long it ferments. Oh, the churros, they're good.
너무 맛있어.
Man, this team's killing it. I'm sorry, my team ain't winning.
좀 더 구워야 돼.
Oh, look at that sear. That's horrible. That's a horrible sear. And that was literally raw. That piece. That was. No, you should not have microwaved it. It's not just that was raw. That piece that Sana just got.
근데
I'm a
식감이
big
누굴까?
fan of a good medium rare steak. That was raw. That shit was raw. Man, Taishan, your team ain't winning this. I was in your my bias, but man, I might have to jump ships.
이거 너무 맛있겠네.
That does not look good.
진짜 맛있겠다.
That does not look good. Listen, I'm a fan of those like plastic cheeses, the American cheeses, especially in ramen and stuff. Well, not in ramen, but in ramyeon.
아 맛있어야 돼.
That did not look good.
우리 이제 플레이팅을 그럼 좀 해야 되나? 해야 되니까.
I'm really scared for that.
아까 위에 팀이
김치
그렇게
stew.
했더라고. 새우를. 우리는 하지 말자. 자연스러움을 좀 약간. 얼마나 남았어요?
아 상품 갖고 싶은데.
아 진짜 이기고 싶다. 왜 이렇게 갑자기 시간이 빨리 가지?
Well, the French toast might, you know. Even though when Sana tasted it, she did not look very impressed. Oh, you know what? The French toast looking good.
아니 얘가 그렇게 잘했어?
Yeah,
포기하자 우리.
집중력이 끝났어.
아니야. 얘들아 포기하지 마.
well, I thought Momo and Kiko were supposed to be the good cooks in this kitchen, but
요리 끝.
thing just ain't turning out right. Look at that. That's pretty boring, not gonna lie. That looks good. Shrimp cocktail. Some meat. That right there looks stunning. And that too, I'd love to taste. Might be very crispy and chewy, and then sugary and sweet. Okay, to be fair, the tomato thing is probably just because I do not like tomatoes.
아이스티나 마늘. 맛있을 거야.
솔직히 스테이크.
Oh, you should also wait with that honey
말까?
too.
빼자.
Well, I guess since you're serving it, that does make sense. But
지루야 이거 메인은.
it'll make it all soggy.
생크림 해봐라.
이게 또 이상하네.
좋아, 다 만들어보자.
뭐든.
아이스티 하지 말까?
Oh. Oh.
이거 밥이 너무 무식한가? 괜찮은데? 괜찮아? 이런 느낌이지. 야.
I mean, they said the chicken tasted good. You know, it looks fine. I think it was just the lighting before that did not make it look like it was fried at all. Fresh fruit and whipped cream, I guess you can't really go wrong with. That looks amazing. Absolute. The French toast looks amazing, you know? Korean, Japanese, and Western. True. Karage. Kimchi stew. Oh, is this how Nyan's gonna... Yeah, okay. I was about to say, that's how Nyan's gonna come. He's going to be tasting it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Everything's looking horrible in the next episode, but that was TDOONG Cooking Battle episode 3. It feels like, you know, I'm gonna be honest, I had really high hopes for this this season of Time to Twice, but it ain't looking good. It ain't looking good. They're doing a lot of questionable things with their food. They are stir-frying lettuce. They are adding like honey to it, which apparently tastes nice, but it sounds weird as hell. We have a very, very sour kimchi stew going on, probably because the kimchi is way too fermented. We just have the steak looks absolutely horrible. The steak that was raw inside that Momo wanted to microwave for some reason, and it does not have a sear at all, probably because we used the butter from the get-go, where we have to use some high burn point oil, like a rapeseed oil, to get that or even just an olive oil, actually, just to get that scorch, not really scorch, but that sear on the sides, and then you add the butter to baste it afterwards. A lot of questionable things are happening. I feel like also just the shrimp cocktail with just ketchup in it. I think it's just ketchup, which is also a little bit, I don't really know about that, but I guess we'll have to see next time how everything really turns out when Nyan returns. But yeah, guys, that was Time to Twice TDOONG Cooking Battle episode 3. It ain't looking good. I gotta be honest, it ain't looking good for the team I was supposed to be rooting for. Especially since we've been hearing a lot about how Momo's a really good cook and how Jihyo's a really good cook, and both of them cooking a lot for the members. It seems like, well, they could still be very good cooks, but without any kind of recipe, things just aren't really going our way. It seems like Dahyun's looks really good. Her French, her what's it called? Not French toast. That's what it's called. I cannot remember what it's called at this moment, but that's looking pretty good, even though Sara's look was pretty questionable when she tasted it. Seems like the only thing there that tastes real good is the karaage, and then maybe the oh, it is just French toast, right? French toast, that's actually what it is. And then of course on the other team, everything seems to be tasting really good. The tomatoes, the shrimp, not the well, yeah, the shrimp, I guess, the salmon and stuff. Everything seems to be tasting really good. The churros, but I'm gonna be honest, outside of the salmon, the presentation ain't that good. I think to be fair, the churros with sugar are pretty good as well. The churros with cheese do not look that good. The salad and everything is not. It's a little bit sketchy. The salad with the meat on top. Then of course we do have the shrimp cocktail, but the fact that it might only be ketchup in it, it's a little bit weird to me as well. Guess we'll have to see next time when Nyan comes and judges them how everything really turns out, and then maybe we'll do like a series where we try to redo all of these dishes that they have been creating. For now though, let me know what you guys thought about Time to Twice TDOONG Cooking Battle episode 3 down in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.